Hello everyone, Namaskar. I hope that you all are happy, safe at your home. Today we are going to learn about chapter number 9, Noun Gender. Yes, the learning objective of this lesson is, at the end of this topic, you will be able to define masculine and feminine gender. You will also be able to identify masculine gender and feminine gender noun. You will be forming the feminine gender nouns from masculine gender nouns at the end of this topic. Now dear kids, what is gender? Gender is a category of noun. Gender क्या है? Category of noun. And there are 4 parts. How many parts? 4 parts. Masculine, feminine, common and neuter. कितने कैटेगरी में डिवाइडेड है ये? 4 पार्ट्स में. मस्कुलाइन, फेमिनाइन, कॉमन एंड न्यूटर. मस्कुलाइन refers to male, feminine refers to female, common refers to both male and female, whereas neuter refers to non-living things. Let's learn more about masculine and feminine gender. Masculine gender. The number of all male persons or animals come under this gender. It means सारे male persons or animals comes under this gender. It refers to male. For example, man, uncle, waiter, king, fox. This all comes under masculine gender. Now feminine gender. The name of all female persons or animals comes under this gender. That means it refers to female. For example, woman, aunt, waitress, queen and vixen. The above 4 are name of female person and the last one is name of female animal. Now let's see certain rules by which we can change masculine into feminine. The first rule is by adding ess, we can change a masculine into a feminine. For example, host to hostesses, lion, lioness, prince to princess. We had added what? ess and ess. Now let's see the second rule. By making slight change in masculine name before adding ess, which means ess को ऐड करने के पहले थोड़ा सा चेंजेस करना. किसमें? masculine names में. waiter, waitress, हमने er के बदले ress कर दिया. We omit e from here. We write ess and we write waitress. Actor to actress. Master, mistress. Tiger, tigress. Now let's see the third rule. By making some changes in the words. By making some changes in the words, which means हम वर्ड में थोड़े से चेंजेस कर देंगे. कौन से वर्ड्स में? मस्कुलिन वर्ड्स में. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, विडो, विडोवर, हीरो, हीरोइन, ब्राइडग्रूम, ब्राइड. नाउ लेट्स सी फोर्थ रूल. फेमिनाइन नेम of compound nouns are formed by replacing the part of noun which shows gender. इसका मतलब है feminine name of compound noun, यानी compound noun means 2 names together, okay, are formed by replacing the part of noun which shows gender. Like landlord. लैंडलॉर्ड में हम क्या करेंगे? फर्स्ट वर्ड एज इट इज ही रखेंगे, सेकेंड वर्ड को चेंज कर देंगे. 2 कंपाउंड वर्ड्स है. सो हमने क्या किया उसका? लैंड लेडी. पीकॉक तो पीहेन. ग्रैंडफादर तो ग्रैंड मदर. फादर इन लॉ तो mother-in-law. Now come to fifth rule. By replacing the words, हम यहाँ पे words को ही change कर देंगे. जैसे king तो queen, boy तो girl, wizard तो witch, then brother to sister. So dear kids, what we have studied: masculine, feminine, common, neuter. These four are the part of noun gender. Masculine denotes a male gender of person, animal, insect, etc. For example, father, uncle, king, hero. And feminine denotes a female gender of person, animal, birds, etc. For example, aunt, mother, nun, grandma. Now common. A common that may be a noun that may be masculine or feminine but not neutral. Common noun का क्या है? Common gender noun का क्या है? A noun that may be masculine or feminine. मतलब noun या तो masculine हो सकता है या तो feminine हो सकता है, but neutral नहीं हो सकता. For example, doctor, singer, cousin, manager. It can be male, it can be female, but it cannot be neuter. Now come to neuter gender noun. In neuter gender denotes a lifeless thing. It means non-living things. Neuter means neither male nor female. न्यूट्रल का मतलब होता है ना तो मेल ना तो फीमेल, बट क्या होता है? लाइफलेस थिंग्स यानी नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स. एग्जाम्पल इरेजर, डेस्क, शूज, कार एटसेट्रा. सो आई होप दैट नाउन जेंडर आपको समझ में आ गया हो. नाउ इट्स टाइम टू डू एक्स्ट्रा ग्रामर एक्सरसाइज. So dear kids, please open your notebook number 1B and let's get started with extra grammar exercise. In your notebook, give heading chapter number 9, nouns, gender. And don't forget to give heading extra grammar exercise. And then give the subheading complete this table. Done? And then make two columns. One is for masculine, the another one is for feminine. And then the first one is tiger. Write it down, tiger in masculine gender. And give dash in feminine gender. Let us first complete the question portion. Then we will write the answers of it. So the first question all of you have written tiger. Then come to B1. Give dash in masculine gender. आपको सेम ऐसे ही बनाना है जैसे यहाँ पे दिख रहा है. Or you can do one thing, make two columns. One column is for masculine and another column is for feminine. Then the next one is aunt. Leave the space. And write it down aunt in feminine वाला column. And then come to C1. Write it down husband in masculine column and give dash in feminine column. Then write it down dash bull. Then come to the next one. Write it down nephew in masculine column and give dash in feminine column. Then come to F1. Give dash in masculine column and write it down waitress in feminine column. Write it down gander in G वाला मतलब in masculine column G and then give dash in feminine gender. Then write it down, dash in masculine column and duck in feminine column. Now let us write the answers of this question. Tiger, to write it down, tigress, Tigress, tigress. Then uncle, 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 to aunt. Come to see, husband, what will be the feminine? Wife, wife, wife. Then come to D, cow, cow, cow. Feminine is bull. Then E, nephew, to knees, niece, knees. Then waiter, waitress, waiter, waiter. Then gander, to goose, goose. Then drake, to duck, drake, drake. So the feminine would be the duck, duck, duck. Now let us write another question of this chapter. Give heading question number 2 in new page. Now write it down. Question number 2. Rewrite these sentences by changing the underlined noun to the opposite gender. Make other necessary changes as well. What we have to do here is हमें सेंटेंस को रीराइट करना है और अंडरलाइन नाउन्स जो भी है, जैसे मदर है तो हमें उसका अपोजिट लिखना है फादर. इसके साथ साथ हमें और भी नेसेसरी चेंजेस करने हैं अगर रिक्वायर्ड हो तो. ओके, सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड with the first one. Let us first write all the questions and then we will write the answers of it. I hope that heading all of you have written. Heading is done by all of you. Rewrite these sentences by changing the underlined noun to their opposite genders. Make other necessary changes as well. Now come to the first one. I watched a movie with my mother last night. I watched a movie with my mother last night. Underline mother and give a big dash because we need to rewrite the sentence, so you need to give a big dash. Then after, come to second one. The hero was a brave and helpful man. Write it down, B1. The hero, and underline hero here, was a brave and helpful man. Then give a big dash. Then after, write it down, C. Third one. The lioness was looking after its cubs. The lioness was looking after its cubs. Done, C1. Now again give a big dash and write it down D. My brother works in a store on weekends. My brother, BROTHER, underline brother, works in a store on weekend. Then come to E1. The poetess won an award for her new book. The poetess won an award for her new book. And give a big dash for rewriting the sentence. And don't forget to underline poetess. Then come to F1. The kind lady offered us tea and snacks. The kind lady offered us tea and snacks. Underline lady and leave a big dash. Then come to G1. The king roamed around the city on his mare. Here we need to underline two things, king as well as mare. The king roamed around the city on his mare. Then again leave a big dash. Then come to H1. He is my favorite actor of all time. He is my favorite actor of all time. And give a big dash. Now let us write the answers of it. I hope that all of your question work is done. Now let's get started writing the answers. Oh, the first answer is I watched a movie with my father last night. Mother, instead of mother I had written father. Now come to B1. The heroine was a brave and helpful woman. As we are talking about hero, so they had written man, but here we had changed the gender. We had written heroine, so we will make the necessary changes and write woman here. Now see the next one. The lioness was looking after its cub. And the answer is the lion was looking after its cubs. Now come to D1. My brother works in a store on weekends. So we need to change brother. So we had written sister. My sister works in a store on weekends. Now dear kids, from E to H is your homework. Alright, what you have to do, जैसा हमने ऊपर किया था सेम वैसे ही हमें ये सारे क्वेश्चंस में भी करना है. जैसे यहाँ पे पोएटेस है तो यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा पोएट, और यहाँ पे हर की जगह क्या आएगा हीज. वैसे ही काइंड लेडी है तो हम काइंड क्या करेंगे मैन. ऑलराइट. देन द किंग, किंग के बदले क्या करेंगे क्वीन, और मेयर के बदले क्या आएगा हॉर्स. वैसे ही आपको नेसेसरी चेंजेस के हिसाब से ये वाली एक्सरसाइज को कंप्लीट करना है. एक्टर के जगह पे क्या आ जाएगा एक्ट्रेस. तो मैंने सारे आंसर्स आपसे डिस्कस कर लिए हैं. अब आपको खाली पेपर पे वो आंसर्स लिखने ही है. I hope that you all will able to do this exercise. If you face any difficulty, you can ask me. So our chapter number 9 is also over. Revision and extra grammar exercise. Tomorrow we will be proceeding with chapter number 10. Till then, bye. Take care. Thank you. Namaskar. Be safe and be happy.